Hello and welcome to Reno Radio. My name is Naomi Findlay and I am Australia's rapid renovation expert. And each week I will be bringing you valuable tips, information and amazing stories from around the world about renovation. Helping people create wealth through renovating is my passion, as well as creating healthy, wealthy and beautiful spaces to live in and to share. Thanks for spending time with me today. Now let the show begin. Hey guys, happy Friday. It is a super happy Friday here, and today I want to talk to you. I want to jump on to Oscar and Grammy fever. And I want to talk to you about whether your house is award winning. And the reason this comes up is I recently wrote a piece for realestate.com.au, and it was all around how to bring a little bit of Hollywood into your home. So it was about how to bring that luxe, layered look into your home, catching on to Grammy fever and onto Oscar fever. So for those of you who don't know me, my name's Naomi Findlay from naomifindlay.com. And I work with people around presenting their properties and preparing their properties for sale, valuation or lease to help them get maximum return on their investment and make as much money as possible out of their investment into their home. So recently I was with a client and I was having a conversation around preparing it for sale. And one of the things that they said to me was, Naomi, it's not an award-winning home, which really hooked on for me to this whole awards time that we're going through. And I think it's really important, and I feel quite strongly about it, that when we're looking to sell our homes, make money out of our homes, or have our homes valued, it's not about winning awards. It's about doing the research and doing the preparation to maximize any investment you make in that home. So for me, it's really about maximizing the asset that you already own. It's about leveraging the property that you've already worked so hard to get. And it's about enhancing the highlights of that property. It's not about creating an award-winning space that'd be featured in a magazine, because it's far from it. And for any of you guys who have anything to do with film or TV or magazines, you would know that the way a property is photographed or videoed is very, very different to what it looks like in real life. So getting your home ready for market is absolutely and not about winning any Oscars. The other thing to keep in mind is, I guess, you need to think of your property a bit like a movie star, in the sense that they're always working hard to show the amazing parts of their home, and they're really working hard to diminish their shortcomings. So as a movie actor, as a movie star, there are many, many things that I'm sure they don't want the paparazzi and everyone else to know about them. And similarly, when you are putting your house to market, it's important that you showcase, just like a movie star, all the amazing things about your home, but you diminish and you play down some of the lowlights. You never hide them, because that's bad karma, but you certainly diminish them. So if we're going to catch on to anything with this Oscars fever, the thing that we need to catch on to is about enhancing our highlights and diminishing our lowlights. Definitely not about creating award-winning spaces, because award-winning spaces don't appeal to everybody. And I guess the main and last thing that I think is important to talk about with this is that it's about creating spaces that allow people to connect to, about creating spaces that allow people to real life people to connect with, and hence buy your property, making more money when you go to market, more money when you look to have it valued, or more money when you lease your property, not about award-winning spaces. So everyone can totally unleash and get super excited about the upcoming Oscars, but when you're looking at it from the perspective of selling, valuing, or leasing your house, don't try and make your house an award-winning house, because there are pretty substantial chances, unless you're in a really small market, a small band of the market, that you're actually going to lose money on it. So again, let's just embrace our houses for the homes they are. Let's enhance our properties, but don't try and make them award-winning. Have a happy Friday, everyone. Bye.